Assalamualaikum dear students. CIT 244 Electronics 2. I'm here with another lecture in which in the previous lecture we were discussing about the shift registers and their types. Today we will discuss one another type, that is parallel in serial out shift register. Parallel in serial out shift register. It is also abbreviated as PISO, PISO shift register. That also this is basically its abbreviation. So today I'm going to now define about the parallel and serial out shift register. So it is such a type of shift register uh, which on which when data is applied to its input, the data collectively, basically the data is collectively applied to its inputs. These are the parallel inputs. The data is fetched or loaded collectively, combined altogether on these parallel inputs, and these cells are showing the 4D type flip-flops which are connected or cascaded with each other from their output to their input via these two AND gate and OR gate combination. And when the data is applied parallelly to these D-type flip-flops, which are combinedly making a parallel in serial out shift register, the data is bring out or taken in serial. This data is that is executed through these shift register are basically taken one after one in a sequence. It never been collectively data output, but it will come out. The data will come out of these shift register, these data flip-flops, one by one, not in a sequence, or not come collectively. As we fetch the data collectively, and on the output, the data will be taken in a sequence one after one. So here is the structure diagram of serial parallel and serial out shift register. Which describes that as you are watching that these are the three D-type flip-flops which I designed as per my physical space to work on this board. This is basically loading and shifting, load and shift data procedure. This is basically an on and off switch. Inverter is working over here as on and off switch. At the same time, data will be transmitted in the two forms. While here we have two AND gates and an OR gate. Output of first flip-flop 1 will be taken to the next, this AND gate. This AND gate is also connected with this NOT gate. And at the same time, this is also procedure. Here I have also the switching unit right over here, and the same way Q2 is connected with this AND gate, and the same type OR gate coming taking a parallel input is also working over here, and now soon I am applying over here data. The data is coming over here 1 and 1. I switch on the data with this 1. The NOT gate will make it 0. This 0 will rise on this AND gate. And this 1 is executed through this D-type flip-flop. As we know that the D-type flip-flop will take this data for a delay purpose, and we have 1 over here on this clock pulse. This 1 will come over here, 1 and 0 will become 0. So we have a 0 over here, while this 1 and this 1 multiplied by 1 in this AND gate will be 1 over here on the input of this OR gate, and 0 plus 1 will become 1 over here once again. This 1 will gain through the help of a clock pulse will be transmitted over here again, but eventually we have a zero once again over here due to this NOT gate, and this one will rise over here, but when AND gate will procedure it, we have a zero on its output, while this one and this one once again will make a data over here. The output of this AND gate will be 1 once again. So by ORing this gate 0 plus 1, we have a 1 over here, and this 1 will rise in the serial sequence with the help of clock pulse over here in serial out. The serial output of this shift register will be 1. This is how the parallel in serial out shift register works. I'm hopeful that you may understand this lecture, and if you found any kind of problem, you may ask me on my WhatsApp number or in the Google Classroom right here. And stay safe, stay home, and happy winter season to all of you. Thank you so much.